How are y'all doing? It's your favorite attorney, Allie Booker. Okay, guys. Now, you guys have reached out to me and said that you would like for me to do a video about recording. Apparently, everybody is recording. Okay? I just saw somebody. I wish I was better at recording, and I have been getting good at it. Telephones are at everybody's side, and people can, they can catch you. Okay? They can catch you doing stuff quick, and they can record you. And so now, different facilities, businesses, etc. are having no recording policies. No recording policies. And you guys want to know, are they allowed to do that? Is that something that these different businesses can do? Most of the time, it comes up when you are at a hospital or a medical service provider, a doctor's office, or something of the like. They argue that there are HIPAA violations with you recording, and they do not want you recording. I happened to have a baby during the pandemic because I was bored. No, I'm just playing. But I had a baby during the pandemic. She happened to be her little soul. My poor little baby. She's so sweet. She's healthy today and doing much better. But she was in the NICU. And they would tell me things. And one of the things that threw me off was, first they said you couldn't record. Then they said you could record. Then they said you couldn't talk to family or do video chats. Then they said you could, but you had to be only near your baby. So that's the first time that I encountered it myself. What happens, guys, is this. There is a HIPAA law. What it does is it stops medical service providers from allowing other people to have access to your medical information. Okay? And so what happens is when you take pictures of yourself or someone else that may be around you, you are then putting their medical information out there. Because if you are taking a picture of yourself and you are not the only one in the doctor's office, now other people know what doctor's office or that the person went to the doctor. That is a HIPAA violation. And what the doctor's office or hospital wants to do is ensure that they are not up for a HIPAA violation by allowing you to record. This is what I think that you should do. If you are recording just yourself, you better darn sure show them that it's just you. The camera cannot be angled towards anyone else, and it can be no way possible that you're recording anyone else. Because what happens is they will then run that HIPAA violation or run that HIPAA rule on you and make you put your device up. But who you can take a picture of is yourself. You are allowing yourself and authorizing yourself to put yourself out there and record yourself. So you can record your own self. They can't stop you from recording yourself, but they can stop you from recording other people, okay? So that's pretty much how everything is working with recording, okay? No, you cannot record in places that are public. You cannot record in courts. They will not allow you. If they see your phone, they will confiscate your phone because you're not allowed to be recording what happens in a court. Only the judge is in control of who's going to record and what manner or means are going to be used for recording in their courtroom. So you cannot record in a courtroom. You cannot record in medical facilities. In medical facilities, if you're recording yourself, that's fine. I have had people tell me that they feel like they were getting bad service at a medical service provider, and they then began to record them and only them and the employees exchange, and the employee told them they could not record. I say I'm calling BS on that. The employee just doesn't want you to have a recording of them. There is no HIPAA violation in you recording yourself and an interaction with an employee, so long as the video is not encompassing anyone else or anyone else's voice, or if they're sitting next to one nurse and the next nurse is over talking to another person and you're recording your exchange with them and the other people are next to you all and you can hear that, that is a HIPAA violation. But if it is just yourself and that service provider and that's the only people that are on the recording, there is no HIPAA violation. They just don't want you to catch them and turn them into their employer. I hope that this helps you all a lot, with recording and what you can record, what you cannot record. Because there are, signs going up everywhere you are. So be wary when you're in hospitals, etc., and capturing other people on recordings. at school also, because school has media consent releases that they send to the students. So a lot of the times they do not want you recording in certain areas of the school. We don't have that issue right now because a lot of parents are not permitted within the school due to corona. But when school starts up, that's why you have to fuzz out other people's children. When you take pictures of them, you don't have the right to post those children. They normally don't stop you from recording though, because they assume that if your child is off in a program, that your child will be recorded, and that's why those media consent releases are sent home before the programs are at the beginning of the school year. And most of the time, if you have declined to allow your child to consent to be in media, they will not allow your child in the school program, because they can't stop people from taking pictures, snapping pictures and videos of what's going on in school. Y'all have a fantastic day. I just want to let you know how that goes. Y'all stay dry. I know a lot of places it is wet out here in Texas. Make sure you send me your emails, booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Okay. Also, I have a link tree, so make sure you find me on Linktree, and I can assist you. Find my link tree, and I can assist you in different ways. I also offer consultations. Y'all have a fantastic day. Okay. Bye.